Hey friends, alright, so this video is like one of those hear me out situations. I need you to bear with me because when I initially tell you about this product, you're probably going to want to click off. But once I show you the research, I think I will have your mind changed by the end of this video. So there is a seasonal product that I'm about to show you that makes sales all year round. Some are making 10 sales a day, some are making 3 sales a day. That's pretty good for this seasonal product. But then in like November, December, it peaks, and some of them are making 200 plus sales a day. And I know it's only April, but you need to hear me out on this. If you get some of these products up in your shop and they're already making 3 to 10 sales a day in the spring, they're bringing in 5 figures a month, some of these products. When we get to the holiday season, the Q4 season, yes, I'm saying it, disgusting. I don't even want to be talking about the holiday season yet, but this data is like unmatched. So it's a must. I had to make this video for you guys. When we get to that Q4 season, some sellers are going to be making 6 figures a month just from one of these listings. It's no joke. So what is it? Drum roll, please. Christmas ornaments. I know, do not click off. Do not click off. I promise you, give me 1 more minute to change your mind. I'm gonna show you the data. And then after I show you the research, I'm gonna do a mini tutorial on how I've been making my designs with this AI design tool called Playground. It allows us to make designs in a matter of seconds and they are stunning. And then I'm gonna show you which ornaments that I am putting my designs onto within Printify. So let's jump into it. Okay, first of all, look, okay, when I type in Christmas ornaments to the search on Etsy, monthly searches, it's April, and there's 5,000 searches for Christmas ornaments. So let's click in. Okay, so as you can see, we have a bunch of bestseller badges. Guys, oh my goodness, do you see this right here? Monthly sales, 1,200 monthly sales, okay? Listing age, 5 months. All right, let's just browse through a little bit. Over 2,000 monthly sales. I'm sorry I'm yelling. I just stumbled across this the other day and I'm like, whoa, I have been sleeping on this. I start putting up Christmas ornaments around, I would say like August, September. I've been doing like more of like a Christmas theme or aesthetic for my ornaments. But now that I'm seeing that they're selling year round, I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm going to make ornaments that are not Christmas themed. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's come over here though, because I'm using EVERBEE. I'm going to go to product analytics and take a look. Okay, the top one, the estimated monthly revenue is $43,000. Now, keep in mind that these are revenues. This is not profit, but I will say that they're probably making 30 to 40% profit from this $43,000 that's coming in monthly. So that is still really, really amazing. And I'm going to click into this listing further. So this is a new EVERBEE feature that I am loving. I want to prove to you guys that it's selling really well year round. So I'm going to come to all time right here, and I'm actually going to make this bigger so we can see it better. So it was posted in October of 2023 and it just took off, right? Remember I said like the peak time is November and December. Guys, 851 sales in one day, okay? 876 sales in one day seems to be like their highest. So they made so much money on this from like October till December. Even in January, it's still sold after Christmas. That's why I don't delete my holiday listings either. I keep them up year round. You'd be surprised. People purchase holiday things year round. And because it's doing well now, it's definitely going to peak again the next holiday season. But you might be saying that one's been up for 17 months. That's why, you know, the sales are so high and it's doing really well. We can't use that as an excuse, guys. Look at this one. It's only been up for 5 months. It's bringing in 28,000 revenue. We have this one that's been up for 4 months. It's bringing in 14,000 revenue. And I have these shops blurred out just for respect on the side. But if you want to dive in further into this niche, I have a link in the description below for you to try EVERBEE for free so that you can dive in even deeper. I will tell you some of the top ones are actually in the wedding niche. So I'm going to design an ornament with you right now in the wedding niche. All right, so here is Playground. This is the AI design tool that I was mentioning in the beginning. I have been obsessed with this tool because I don't have that much time to design with my little ones running around. So this design tool helps me make designs in a matter of seconds. I mostly sell t-shirts in my print on demand shop, so I typically go into the t-shirt category, and as you can see, there are a bunch of different templates, and you can easily tweak these however you want. I'm going to show you an example in just a minute. But the cool thing about Playground is that these templates are actually designed by real graphic designers. A lot of them are actually Etsy sellers, which is pretty cool. And then the AI piece of it is that you can change it to how you want down here. So it's a bunch of templates that you change with the AI prompt tool. Literally, I understand why the name is Playground because I have so much fun in here playing around. Anyways, so I'm just gonna come up because there's not a category for ornaments. So I'm gonna come up here and I'm going to type in just married. And I could type anything in here. I could type in like wedding, engagement, like anything you want. It'll populate for you. But I have just married in mind. So I'm going to browse and see what they have here. This could be really nice for an ornament. Something like this could be nice for an ornament, but I actually really like this right here. I'm gonna click into this. Think of different like themes and aesthetics that might be for weddings, right? So instead of this mountainy theme, I'm gonna change it to a beach theme. The people I have in mind for this are like people that are getting married on a beach, or like maybe they eloped on the beach. So I'm coming down here and I'm going to say, what if it were on a beach instead? Create. That is really beautiful. And I think I want to add palm trees. Nice. So you have to really think of how you want to prompt it. So let's say replace clothes with wedding clothes. I don't know. Maybe that's not specific enough. Let's see what it does. Wow, that is literally stunning. I love that so much. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to come to resize because this is like too long. It would look awkward on an ornament. So we're going to come to resize and I'm going to do the 1:1 ratio. Beautiful. I'm going to come up here to erase object and I'm going to erase save the date. All right, and then I'm gonna say, let's say change text to just married. Okay, I love it. And also, as you can see down here, there are 4 different options. This comes with the Pro version. Playground is free to use. However, if you want access to all of their templates, and then if you want to be able to upscale and remove the background, that is all with the Pro version for $15 a month. And I find that very much worth it. So the other thing you could do for your ornament is you could also add like a date somewhere and make this like a personalized ornament. That way when the customer orders, they can type in their date into the Etsy listing, and then you would just change the date either in here or within Printify to personalize the ornament as well. But I'm going to come up here to export, and then this is what I mean. You can upscale and remove background right here, which typically you want to do because with print on demand, you don't want this white box to appear behind the design on your product. You want to make it a transparent background. You could just download as is without the Pro version, but I think it's best to upscale and remove background so that you have the best print quality. Isn't her dress so beautiful, by the way? I love that. All right, upscale, remove background. And then you're going to come over to Printify and you're going to come to catalog and then ornaments. And they have all different ornaments to choose from. I think from the wedding niche, it would be really nice to put it on a heart ornament. There are ones that sell that are just the circle ones as well. Here is a heart ornament, and look at the price. The price is really good. It's only $2.30. Now this one is outside of the US, so the shipping's going to be a little bit higher, but I think that it's still a decent price. We're going to go to start designing and then upload my device and pull in the image. Then you're going to center it, preview. And these are the mockups that you can use in your Etsy listing. I also wanted to show you, you can come to Playground, and Playground also has mockups too that you could play around with. So let's say I want to type in ornaments. You can choose any of these and tweak them to how you would like. So I'm gonna click this circle one here because it's pretty flat and looks ceramic. And then I could say change circle ornament to a flat heart ornament. If you can get it to look pretty much like the Printify one, maybe use this as like the first photo, but then you can maybe slip this in for like one of your 10 photos. And also make sure you resize it because the Etsy photos are square. So I would come to here and there you go. Look how beautiful that is. And then if you wanted to, you could just add your image from up here and drop it on here, or you could do it in another photo app where you can lower the transparency a bit to where it looks like it was printed onto the actual ornament. And then yeah, you would list this to Etsy and start bringing in those daily sales so that you are ready for the holiday season. The early bird gets the worm, guys, so don't call me the crazy one, okay? You're gonna be so happy come Q4 season. It's going to be the best holiday season if you jump on this now. Sometimes being successful in business means that we have to do things that we don't feel like doing. We have to do boring things. We have to create products that we wouldn't necessarily feel like creating at this time. If you want to be successful, these are the types of actions that you need to be taking. I'm doing it myself, so do it with me. Let's have a cup of hot chocolate and put on some Christmas music and get that money. Bye.